Today on Tuesday Real Estate Tips for South Florida, we're talking about mortgages and what's going on with rates. Hi my friends, it's Lee Brickey with the Brickey team and welcome to another edition of Tuesday Real Estate Tips for South Florida. Before we get started, if this is the first time you've been to my site, please don't forget to slap that subscribe button, ring that notification bell so you don't miss any of our real estate tips and tours. We put up a new video on Friday, and on Tuesday we have our Tuesday Real Estate Tips for South Florida. And also, if you find this content to be helpful, please give me a thumbs up. Really helps the Google algorithm and I really appreciate it. So let's talk about what's going on with mortgages and rates. If you're looking at mortgages and rates right now, you're seeing that the Fed is saying that as of November 1st, they're going to stop buying back bonds, and then they're looking at having a rate increase next year. Right now, rates have ticked up just a little bit, but not very much. And even in next year, we don't expect rates to get that much higher. So it's still going to be a really, really good market to buy in. So if you're looking to refi, just like everyone else, it's a good time to do it. I'll leave my last video with my lender in the card above. You can click on that and take a look. Brent does a great job, and he's got institutions right now that are extremely aggressive on refis. But with the rates going up right now and the housing prices going up as fast as they have, mortgages are beginning to become unaffordable for a lot of people. If you're looking to buy and you're thinking about waiting till next year, you might want to take a look at maybe doing something this year if you can. Because right now housing prices are continuing to go up, and in South Florida will definitely continue to go up next year. So if you're looking to buy, get into the market, right now is a really good time to do that. Because right now the average mortgage in the United States is $410,000. So prices are heading up everywhere across the board in the United States right now. Now, maybe some of these markets might normalize faster than others, but South Florida is going to keep going because we have so many multinational companies here and they keep bringing their employees in, and we're in a housing shortage. So one of the ways that you can see that the market is really tight is you're seeing condo prices going up like we've never seen before, and condo sales happening faster and quicker than they have. So condos would usually sit on the market much, much longer than a home would, but now condos are hitting the market and within 2 or 3 weeks, they're gone. So this is a telltale sign that the market is really beginning tight, because in most cases it takes a long time to sell a condo, and also condos don't appreciate very much. In the past, I would steer people away from condos if they're looking for a home that's going to have appreciation in it, because in most cases condos don't appreciate very well. So seeing these condos starting to sell as fast as they are and seeing the prices go up as much as they have tells me that the market is really getting super tight. One last thing I want to talk about is conforming loan limits. A conforming loan limit is how much you can borrow to buy a home. It's the maximum amount before you have to go to a jumbo mortgage, which costs you a lot more money to do. So right now, Freddie Mac and Fannie Mae conforming loan limits are $548,250. So that would be as much as you could borrow to buy a home without going into a jumbo mortgage, which would cost you a lot more money in interest. So with that being said, Freddie and Fannie plan to raise the conforming loan limits next year, but a couple of banks out there, really big ones, have decided to do it early. So they did it a couple of weeks ago. One of them is Penny Mac and the other is UWM. My lender, Brent Starks, actually uses UWM as his main source. It's one of the largest lenders out there right now, and they have amazing rates and they do an awesome job with our clients. Both Penny Mac and UWM have raised their conforming loan limit to $625,000. So now you can finance $625,000 on a home, which is 14% more than it was before. So it's there to help catch up with the market because the market's grown so much. This is going to increase the amount of buyers in the market because it's going to open the door for buyers who are right there on the edge that can qualify for more but couldn't get beyond that conforming loan limits. So with the conforming loan limits going up, you're going to see more buyers in the market who are right there on the edge of their conforming loan limit, but they could qualify for more. So again, we're going to see inventory depleting even more now because we're bringing more buyers into the market, especially with rates being as low as they are. So just another reason why it's a good idea to try to buy this year if you can, because even as inventory starts to get tighter and tighter as the end of the year comes because of the holidays, next year the conforming loan limits will be public and you'll see more and more buyers in the market, even though we're going to see more inventory coming on the market the first of the year. Florida tends to be its buying season right after the first of the year. In the winter months is when we see the most purchases in South Florida and Florida period because of the weather so much nicer. So people come here and buy homes. So with that being said, more homes being bought, more buyers in the market, even though there'll be more inventory, we're still going to see multiple offers on houses and the market continuing to go up. So another reason, if you're ready to purchase now, go ahead and make that move and do it, because I believe next year you're going to be looking at more competition and you're going to be looking at higher rates. So that's all I have for you today. Again, if this is the first time you've been to my site, please don't forget to slap that subscribe button, ring that notification bell so you don't miss any of our real estate tips and tours. And if you're looking to get a mortgage, you can watch our next video right there with our lender, Brent Starks. Be kind to each other, and I'll see you next time.